Okay, recently what happened is company called GEL, Gokuldas Exports, they have done a merger with Atraco. Now, these are the numbers. Case study which gets you to how do you value these businesses. Revenue of GEL is around 2247 crores, and revenue of Atraco is around 843 crores. Margins are pretty less versus GEL. These are EBITDA margins and bad margins. Now, skilled professionals, they have got 13,000, they got 26,000. So, aggregated, the company will have around 39,000 skilled professionals. Operational machines around 22,000. Revenue from USA is the major area where they want to increase their revenues from. And manufacturing numbers 25 units, annual apparels manufacturing around 76 million. So, market is giving me valuation on currently on these numbers. Suddenly, once they have bought 100% of this company, the valuation will be on these numbers, right? Just give me a minute. So, what we have here, actually, this says has only 5 manufacturing facilities using, they all will have a tremendous scope for expansion, क्योंकि ये पहले ही ऐसी ऐसी लोकेशंस में हैं जहाँ पे GL wants to expand. The existing capacity utilization is also low, so GL can streamline the process and expand the capacity utilization. Further, these facilities are located in low-cost regions with several duty benefits for exports, which and near to its core of USA market. They export to US, they get duty benefits, and they can utilize ramp up the production, and they get more expansion of hardly 5 stores. They are at 20 manufacturing units. The GL can work to scale Atraco's business and shifting some of its existing business to Atraco facilities, because इसके पास जो यूटिलाइजेशन ज़्यादा है, then they can shift over here and directly sell to this 95% US market. That's why they are buying this business. And then what is happening, the valuation they are paying for it is around 454 crores, 135 of debt, 589 of your EBITDA, EV value. So they are paying around 7 to 8 times of EV, which is little bit high. But if you consider what market is trying to do, market will suddenly get confused now. So they are at a, say, a PAT rendered of 170 crores. They will be straight away flocking to a PAT rendered of 230 crores. But they will be adding on to this debt also. So PAT run rate with the consideration of debt and all these things. So इनके इंटरेस्ट रेशियोज क्या हैं, चीज़ें क्या हैं. सो हाउ टू लुक फॉरवर्ड, 1 साल के अंदर अंदर ये पूरा इंटीग्रेशन हो जाएगा, एंड दे विल बी showing you these numbers. Not 1 साल के अंदर, probably maybe by FY 23 as the report says. So a way to look forward, right?